Hello guys, and thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. My name is Michael, and today I want to be talking about something just a little bit different, which is budgeting. I wanted to make this video just to kind of show everybody the budget that I've put together for myself going forward on my quest to become debt-free, because to be honest, I just kind of want to pay everything and live a happier lifestyle, not worry about finances or any of that jazz. My purpose for wanting to get into budgeting is kind of simple. About a year ago, I wanted to get into real estate investing, which led me down to the path of I need to get my credit score up, which then led me down the path of I need to build a brand to get more money so I can actually build my credit score, buy more things on credit, and start paying them off, which then led me down to the path that I'm actually broke because of student loans, car loans, and just the small amount of credit that I've accrued, but that student loan and car loan are both pretty much weighing me down. After about a week or so of trying to get the perfect budget for me together, I ran into somebody named Dave Ramsey, who's a financial guru. He's been around for years, and he was just telling me what pretty much nobody else was telling me, which was to actually live a cheap lifestyle, start saving, rather than living that normal lifestyle that we're all used to of, oh, I can go out to the bars and get a drink for $10 the night, or, oh, it's $3 beer night at the baseball game, let me go buy a ticket. Just stay at home, save that money, put that towards your debt, and let's start getting this stuff paid off. As you can see here, I made a little spreadsheet to show me where my money was going, and by giving it a home, I'm telling it where to go and how I should spend it. If I didn't do this, I'd be spending it out on the golf course or playing darts or buying games to play with friends and whatnot. This gives me a general idea of, hey, you need to be spending this here, and this is how we can pay off our debts a little quicker. But this also gives me a general idea of where I'm at in terms of my student loans, my car payment, etc. Last but not least, the reason that I really wanted to make this video is to kind of show where I'm going, and to bring as many people along the way of becoming debt-free as possible with me. Dave Ramsey really opened my eyes to becoming debt-free and not having to pay somebody the rest of my life, or being really owned by somebody the rest of my life. From what I read on Forbes.com, 78% of people are living paycheck to paycheck, which means that I'm not in the same boat as most people, and we really need to get a handle on this. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching the video. If you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below, whether that be building a better budget or saving a little extra every month, or whatever the case may be. Someone in the comments below maybe they need that extra help, or maybe it's me who needs that help from time to time, maybe a little bit of encouragement to keep going forward. I would like as many people as possible to become debt-free and get over this financial hump and become financially free. So anyways, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.